This is the last of 3 videos in our video series on ethical concerns in AI development. Today, we will discuss some potential solutions to safeguarding and accelerating the ethical development and application of AI. Potential solutions. To facilitate the process of ethical AI development into our world, we have made a list of 3 implementable solutions. Number 1. Understanding the human skills that AI can't replace. There exists a very real fear that as AIs continue to develop, the risk of them replacing human jobs will only increase. This concern cannot be fully addressed by examining each affected job individually, by determining how likely it is to be replaced, or by finding small workarounds. Instead, a holistic approach is needed, where we focus on analyzing human skills as a whole, specifically the skills that AI can't replace. Many human skills and ideas, such as creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, advanced communication, understanding complex situations, adaptability, and so much more, belong uniquely to us humans. Because AI systems are built to learn from existing data and generate responses based on patterns in that data, there are fundamental limitations in their abilities to truly innovate. They cannot think freely or creatively in the ways humans do, nor can they form genuine emotional connections and understand human experiences at the depth we can. Rather than trying to protect every job individually, it is important to consider the bigger picture of how we can adapt our workspace to integrate AIs in a way that complements our skills. An example of this may be using AI to assist with repetitive tasks, such as data collection or basic organization, allowing us to allocate this time into creative thinking and deeper critical thinking. This kind of collaboration between humans and AI allows us to enhance productivity while preserving the traits that make human work meaningful and irreplaceable. Number 2. Policymaking. AIs are beginning to develop at a much faster pace than anyone could have imagined. In just the span of a few years, AI have stepped out from LLMs into broad fields and industries, from game creation to automated data collection to healthcare and therapy and much more. This rapid growth highlights the urgent call to action for policymaking to continue to be developed as to keep up with the AI's rate of advancements. As AIs become more widespread and accessible to individuals and families alike, it is imperative that new policies address key ethical concerns, especially relating to privacy concerns and transparency issues within AI usage. Many people worry about their conversations with AI systems, mainly with LLMs, being recorded, stored, and potentially reviewed by AI companies, evidenced by previously mentioned cases of users reporting to have seen references to their deleted ChatGPT conversations appear in new responses. Concerns that AI may gather data from a person's public website without their awareness or consent have also begun to spread. To address these issues, policies must set clear and enforceable boundaries on what data AI companies are permitted to collect and use. These regulations should prioritize protecting user privacy while promoting transparency so that we can ensure the rapid development of AI remains ethical and beneficial to our society. Number 3. AI bias and hallucinations. One thing we must understand and recognize about AI tools is that they are not perfect. AIs can often hallucinate, produce inaccurate information, and provide responses with major mistakes. As AI technology continues to evolve, we must learn to adapt and evaluate AI-generated responses using our own informed judgment. Even if some AIs are designed to provide agreeable or convincing answers for the users, we must approach them from a neutral and potentially critical perspective to decide whether the information the AI has provided is factual, logical, and most importantly, relevant to our needs. AI bias and hallucinations are legitimate concerns that contribute to the hesitation for adopting AI into many industries. The possibility for an unrecognized mistake in the form of a confident response from the AI, even if minuscule, may still signify heavy impacts to the company. This ties back to the idea that rather than replacing human jobs, AI should be adapted to accompany human work, to work in tandem to enhance efficiency. At the current stage of AI development, humans remain the only way to guarantee with confidence the effectiveness and reliability of AI-generated responses. This brings us to the end of our video series on the ethical concerns in AI development. I hope you learned something here, whether it be the details of a concern, some potential solution we can think about, or even to just have gained a basic understanding of this complex topic. In the end, it's not just about artificial intelligence. It's about using our real intelligence responsibly.